I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Hey loves, it's Lulu and I'm back today with another video. So today I'm not only sharing with you my May Curlbox unboxing, but I'm actually going to demo the products and show you how I use them. So the first product that I received for my May box is this satin bonnet. The next product I got is a Coconut Crème restorative conditioner. I also got a leave-in conditioner, and then I also received a Coconut Crème dry oil, and this stuff smells amazing. And then I received a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. For more information about Curlbox, check out the description box below. Today I'll be demoing the Coconut Crème collection by Originals. So I'm starting out with hair that needs help. So I am so bad at like wrapping my hair at night, putting it up in a pineapple. I usually sleep like this. I just woke up, and as you can see, it's definitely, you know, needs some TLC. So this is what I'm working with so far. But I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. So I'm gonna just use pretty much everything that I got in my box. So it comes with a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and an oil, and then it also comes with a satin bonnet. The first thing I'm gonna do is cleanse my hair. So I'm gonna use the Coconut Crème sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. This has 100% pure coconut milk and aloe. So it's gonna gently cleanse my hair and scalp, but also leave it nice and moisturized. So I'm looking forward to that. And then I'm gonna follow up with the Coconut Crème restorative conditioner, and then I'm gonna put the satin bonnet that it came with. So they are so thoughtful. So I even included this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my hair and scalp with this moisturizing shampoo, and then I will be right back. I just finished cleansing with that shampoo, and I love it. I love how my hair feels. A lot of sulfate-free shampoos, they don't really lather, and this one really lathered a lot, so I feel like my scalp is nice and like it's hydrated but also clean at the same time. My hair feels really good. It just feels nice and clean. So now I'm gonna follow up with the Coconut Crème restorative conditioner. So I'm just gonna evenly distribute that through my hair. And it does have like a really heavy coconut oil scent. I don't know what that means for you, if you like coconut oil or not. I like coconut, but I don't really like coconut oil. So I would say that's pretty much the only, like, it's not even a con, but the only downside to this product is that it's like a very heavy coconut oil smell. But coconut oil is really good for your hair and skin, so it's definitely worth it. So I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. And then Curlbox is so thoughtful because they actually included a satin bonnet, so that's really gonna help lock in the moisture. So after I finish conditioning, I'm gonna put the cap on, and then I'll let it sit probably for about an hour. And then I'll rinse it out, and then I'll style it. So I'm really making sure to treat my ends, because those tend to get the driest, especially when I wear my hair curly a lot. Make sure my ends are coated. And then I'm just using my fingers to gently detangle my hair as I work the conditioner through my hair. Make sure to get your scalp too, not just the ends. And this product is really easy to work through your hair, so I really like that. This product has 100% pure coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and flaxseed oils. So this is really hopefully gonna hydrate my hair. So, yay, Curlbox! I'm just gonna use this satin bonnet that they included just to lock the moisture into place and just keep my hair in place. I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour, and then I'll rinse it and then style it like I normally do. So my hair is gonna get some nice deep moisturizing treatment, and I'm just gonna let it sit for an hour, and then I'll be right back. It's been about an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off this conditioner for my hair, but oh my goodness, my hair just feels so soft, and I think that I'm gonna be really happy with the end results. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out that deep conditioning coconut cream. So this is how it looks. And when I'm styling my hair, I don't really like to towel dry it too much. I like to keep it kind of wet. My hair is still really damp, so now I'm gonna go ahead and style it like I usually do. So this time I'm gonna use the Coconut Crème leave-in conditioner. And I'm just gonna take this and work it through my hair. Now I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb. I already kind of detangled my hair when it was wet the first time. I'm just gonna like go through and part my hair the way I want my hair to lay, and then just detangle it one more time. Okay, so now I feel like my hair is definitely nice and hydrated. So then in my styling routine, I like to add a little bit of gel just because it'll help hold the curl. My curl box didn't come with any gel. You can just basically use your favorite, you know, whatever gel you like. You can even skip this step if you just want more of like a softer look. But I just think the gel helps me, like, it just helps keep the curls kind of defined and the style lasts a little bit longer. So I'm just using the gel, combing it through, and then while I'm doing it, I'm just smoothing out my hair. That way it won't be like frizzy when I blow dry it. Okay, so now I got my product in, so I'm just gonna take my towel, and even better if you have a t-shirt, but I'm just gonna gently scrunch my hair and try to remove some of the excess moisture without really disrupting like the shape of the curl. So just gently, and that's just gonna help it dry a little bit faster. Now I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer with my diffuser attachment, and I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair. This will probably take me about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna dry it on high on hot. And then the last 5 minutes, I'm gonna blast it on the cool setting. So when I'm first blow drying my hair, I like to aim the nozzle down until my hair is mostly dry. And then the last few minutes before I put it on cool, I'll turn the nozzle this way and I'll blow dry it underneath. And then I'll flip my head underneath, or I'll flip my head upside down and get the back part. Okay, so now my hair is just about dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and just let it set for a few more minutes. My hair is pretty much dry now. So now I'm just gonna take the last product that I got in my box, and that's the Coconut Shine Dry Oil. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of this product in my hands, and then I'm just gonna work it through my hair just to break up the curl. And then the last step, I'm gonna take this like comb pick, and I'm just gonna fluff up my hair a little bit. So this is how it looks without any type of like separation. This is how the curls look, just totally defined. And I feel like I have a lot of shine and definition. So I'm really pleased with the products. So let's see how it looks broken up a little bit. So this oil has 100% pure coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. So lightweight, thermal protection, and flawless shine. Nice. Ooh, so this, out of all the products, it's actually, it smells the best. This has like a tropical smell to it. So that smells really, really good. So I'm just gonna work it through. Try to like break up the curl. And then so for some of the bigger curls, I like to separate them into 2, sometimes 3, just so I don't have like a lot of clumps. So a little bit more of that oil, just for like my scalp, temple area. Oh, I can't get over how good this stuff smells. Okay. So now I'm just gonna take my comb and just kind of fluff it a little bit, just to give me a little bit more volume. And there you have it. This is the finished product, or this is the finished style. So I think my hair looks nice and healthy, still defined, but like fluffy the way I like it. And yeah, besides the smell, which it's not even a bad thing. I just personally don't really care for coconut oil as a scent, as opposed to like, I like regular just coconut. But I'm just nitpicking. But besides that, I am in love with all of these products that I received from Curlbox. And yeah, just look at my hair. It looks really good. This style should last me a couple days. I am going to try really hard to wrap it up at night. I'm really bad about that, but I do have a satin pillowcase at least. So in the least, I do that. I think that helps with like breakage. But yeah, I am very pleased with the May Curlbox box this month. Definitely stay tuned for next month's Curlbox unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and demo. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so that you don't miss out on future video notifications. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by. And as always, wishing you peace, love, and good vibes always. Thanks for watching.